On your marks.
Okay.
Go, 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 go.
Get set. Go!
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So we are here another day of me being overexposed. Let's see if I put it over. Another day of me being overexposed. I really need to get this ND filter for stuff like this. But we are here. Here is Yannick. And we have Dane from AA Portraits. We also have Michael Lynch with us. We have Claude, my best man, and Cara, the bridesmaid. So everybody's coming out.
The maid of honor.
The maid of honor. I'm so sorry for the mistake that I made calling her the bridesmaid. Alright, so not back again. We're still here. Dane just came. Dane's going to change. Yeah. There's Cara and Yannick. Claude again. And me. So we're just rating. We're just rating. So this is Cara. You might notice she looks a bit different. She's now a little boy. I don't know.
I am.
But
it's okay.
She's a goy. A goy. She's a goy. And make sure she's a goy. I'll work with that one. Woo! Alright. Alright, so we are off. Let me just do a quick something right here. Just drop this on Instagram. Alright, everybody's here. We are going to the pool. Hopefully there's no issues, there's no hiccups, because we've been having a few hiccups in regards to some things lately. So yeah. And the pool is actually not very far from the house that we're staying at. So yeah. And I didn't hit record. So yeah, once again, head into the pool. Head into the pool. Good morning. Yeah, that would be very. It isn't. It isn't closed. It isn't closed. Good morning. I'm sorry. I was talking to my camera. Alright, so we have the tennis court over this side, and they're actually playing right now, or training or whatever. Pool rules. Amazing. So let's go check out the rules of the pool before we do anything crazy. Oh, there's a table tennis. Good morning, good morning, good morning.
When the
Can I just pass it? Yes.
I need 10 more minutes.
I need about 10. I need just put some chlorine in.
Oh, okay. Alright, so we just. Yeah, we'll just go on this side there. Alright. Yeah, man. Yeah, that's good. So, we there at the pool. And the pool is being treated at the moment. So, we're giving it about 10 minutes. So, everybody just gonna kick it back, relax until the time for the pool to be accessed. My question though is, how deep is
are more than 6 feet apart.
the pool?
Come on,
It is?
You're not supposed to teach.
Oh. So, we were about to move the beds, but we can't move the beds because, you know. So the 6 feet is where it will stay. Mandatory 6 feet apart, and that's perfectly fine. 5, 6. If it's allowed, yeah, it's fine.
Anything we have a showrooms. That's not my time.
Alright, so let's make it a three-way stop. She got under. Good boy. Sir. Come back up here, sir.
That's a bird.
When the lashes come off.
Because I was wrong. All of my makeup that's because Henry.
Alright. So the Scaredy Cat made it over here. Hi guys. Thank you for tuning into another one of our videos. We are at the pool at the resort. Wow. At the home that we're staying. I guess this is our resort. Again, thank you guys for tuning in. If you're watching, please remember to like, share, and subscribe.
resort.
I mean, it's kind of the only way you could like, share, and subscribe.
Keep up with us.
So yeah, we're just here having fun. One thing to take from this, Yannick here, no water here, get wet here.
Okay.
One thing to take from this is that
I don't want to wet up the room.
we're having a good time because
And
we're
a grand
surrounded.
time in the pool.
Because we're surrounded by friends.
Allegedly.
Who are
And-
idiots?
Yeah, idiots just like
That's
me.
not true.
Birds of a feather. I'm King Idiot.
No.
And
I'm not gonna finish
yeah,
that.
friends are
Hi guys.
important.
I want you
don't
to meet
care.
Mr. Mom.
Mr. Mom, wow.
She's a bird.
I don't care how much you think that you don't need friends in your life. It is important to have friends.
Yes.
And if you even want to look at it at a certain standpoint where friends will allow you to have links, then sure. But do unto others as you'd have them do unto you. Treat people good. I always try to treat people good. And just live a happy and good life. Yeah, pretty much. They ain't no one coming in the pool, they ain't just there in the video, but you know, it is what it is.
He's the struggling scammer.
I appreciate you coming out here with me because she's terrified of water. I don't know if I said it before, but she's terrified of water. But
And this is 5 feet, guys.
yeah, there's more to come in this video. It's probably gonna be a long video because we're going to. Can we say where we're going?
No.
We're going somewhere again, and knowing us, food. Yeah, but I'm gonna be taking some photos as well. So it's not just food; it's food, chill with friends, and photos. So we'll be right back.
On your marks.
Okay. Go.
Get set. Go!
Here, no, thank you.
I'm done before it starts.
Woo! Alright, so Yannick reached back at the house long time. Dana and Michael walking, I'm walking with Claude, and here is Cara, Miss Ma'am, Miss Sir, Mr. Sir, Mr. Ma'am. So yeah, pool was fun. It was so much fun. Honestly, I haven't done that in a very long time. So Yeah, because even the other day when we went to the river, I didn't get into the water. But yeah, heading back to the house now. Pretty much back at the house now. And we are gonna get ready to go nyame some foodie. Yes sir. I don't know why I said that, yes sir. Hey guys, welcome back. We are ready to head to the food place. But Yannick and Cara aren't ready as yet. Michael's here, Claude is here, Dane is there somewhere, he's ready as well. But we're waiting on Cara. Exposure? I guess I'm fine. We're waiting on Cara and Yannick to get here. Hey guys, we're back. Yannick is here, Yannick is ready. Cara is finally here. To be honest, Yannick was ready, Cara wasn't. We're heading out now. Michael's driving. Cara is in the front seat. So I'm not sure why her mask is that way. And Dane and Claude are in the Haxio.
Daniel and Claudette.
Wow. 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 Just wow. So yeah, Dane and Claude are in the Haxio behind us. So
I wonder what that is.
What?
Haxio? Is that how you pronounced it?
Yeah.
So
that's
we
it,
are
Haxio.
on the road.
Yeah.
I know he's trying
Cool.
to do his vlog, but I'm
Alright.
jumping in on.
You good?
Oh, look at that!
Say hi to the camera.
Good pretty people in the back of the car. Oh.
Hey.
Only pass space on the phone.
A lot.
Ah, I can't want the baby that make it done.
Yes.
When the time
babies.
comes offshore. Offshore.
Look at
When the time
that!
comes offshore.
Oh,
Wow.
look at that! So,
He's planning to gift us this vehicle.
Quite possibly.
And the babies, right?
No,
No,
Oh, no, honey.
no.
No, honey.
No.
He going to make the babies ourselves. He probably made already. Of course, crickets.
Hopefully.
Tom,
Cricket.
So yeah guys, we're on our way to get some food. So we will see you
We're
there.
going to the overpriced cafe, right?
What happened?
Alright, so
Got a
we
line up on Chief too?
reach, however there's music playing and trying to stay on the good side of YouTube. Yeah.
Ain't I only one?
No, you have money, you have a collection. So we're trying to stay within the well-behaved realms of YouTube. Caravan for Cara. Oh, cause she blue? Everybody black? Yeah. So yeah, let's see how it goes, but I'm pretty sure I saw music being, or I saw somebody playing music. So we just have to go and see what it's like.
I mean, we are already doing that shit.
Up top! No? You gonna leave me hanging? No, you didn't.
Man, nigga.
Okay, so
I feel like I want to go in the south
Up there.
even though I'm not going by.
Yeah, the Starbucks. The Starbucks.
where I used to work.
Yeah.
KFC, the on the end facing us. Streets out near Midland.
Oh, KFC, I go there so too?
Out there too.
Remember, say when they work
Midland
funny, you know,
KFC
me never
funny.
remember. Say I went out and said, brother! This dude nearly dropped my camera just because he wanted to take photos. But I get it.
It's so,
No Popeyes, huh? Oh, you were using a.
eh? No. Fuck that. I guess maybe them are the on the back. I know, but one only part of that thing on the back.
Yeah, we're not, Yannick and I aren't big KFC persons at all. I only eat KFC because I work. Every now and then my workplace buys KFC, but I'm not a big KFC fan. Burger King, Popeyes, that's our fast food joint. Or those are our fast food joints. Michael vlogging with his phone, Note 10 Plus. Camera is amazing. Wasn't big on getting a phone.
Vlog while we're going in. Oh, sorry, you were vlog. Oh, my bad.
Yeah, wasn't big on. I'm not big on Samsung phones in all honesty. I'm a Pixel person, but the camera is blowing my mind. And it's good to have a small setup for certain videos or certain vlogs. It's really good to have a small setup. But yeah, I'm gonna stop recording because I can start hearing the music right now. So I'll see you guys when I get inside. Or it's gonna be some B-roll. Right, baby? And we're looking all lovely together in our colors. And mouth, we love the food. 1, 2, 3.
Wait.
Okay.
Morocco. We can't park in the sun. Come on, that's come park.
Oh, jeez.
Oh God.
So hey guys, we're just leaving Cafe Etal, and we must say the meals they were mwah, wonderful, so wonderful.
Delicioso.
Yes. Do you agree, Michael?
Yes, they were bone in your teeth.
And do you agree, Cara?
Bon appetit.
Yeah, the meals were great.
See?
We are gonna be rating it, so let's not get too much into it.
We won't.
Later we'll do our rating.
We won't.
If you are here, thank you so much for sticking with us.
Yes.
Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. We'll be back in a second.
But apart from that, I love the rustic vibe. All wood. That's my vibe, so I love this. I'm biased. Sorry. And I love that you could see everything you could.
I kind of got 2 weeks, basically, if you put it like that. But yeah, the presentation of it was good. the presentation of it was really good. But,
Value for money.
but I'm not really sick as piece.
How would you order wings?